Welcome to this tutorial on editing master data in SAP IBP Manage Master Data app. We can edit master data in Manage Master Data app or Master Data Workbook. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to edit master data in Manage Master Data app step by step. Step 1. Enter the master data type name you want to edit in the search field. For example, the master data type name could be IM product. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IM product master data type and click it. Step 4. Click Display Master Data Entries button. A second window will appear. Step 5. Click Views drop-down to select Views. For example, AB Centers Fixed Windows Code. Step 6. Click Mass Edit button. Step 7. Enter a new value for the cell, for example B. Step 8. Confirm all fields and then click the Save button. To summarize, editing master data in Manage Master Data app involves selecting the master data type, entering the new value, and saving it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.